Sherry Tilley.
Poor man's pad thai is simple to make, delicious, and costs less than $1. All you need is a packet of 25-cent ramen, a scoop of peanut butter, and a teaspoon of sriracha for added flavor and a kick. Join us on this e-learning journey to master atomic science. Learn to describe atomic structures, define fusion reactions, understand hydrogen isotopes, and design impactful fusion projects using art or media. It's Wacky Wednesday, which means it's time for Wally's Wacky World of Wild Animals. Can you guess the correct animal? I bet you can. Open the app and sign in. Tap the orange installation icon on the main screen or access installation help from the drop-down menu. To access the manual for a separate registered product, tap on the link found under the product picture.